La 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 la. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the log conversion LUTs the folks at Gamut have created for the D-Log footage. That's the log footage DJI products film on, if you didn't know. Before we begin, full disclosure, the Gamut team got in touch with me and sent me the LUTs for free for me to try out. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, this is going to be a simple one, so let's jump into Premiere Pro. By the way, you can also use them in any other software that supports 3D LUTs. First of all, let's discuss price. The DJI conversion LUT for DLog-M package will set you back $15 and that includes 3 LUTs. One, DLog-M, Gamut DLog-M Plus, which is more contrast, and then Gamut DLog-M V, which is a bit more vivid. It has more color saturation. Here's some footage from the Mavic 2 Pro, shot in log and color corrected with the Gamut DLog-M Plus LUT. The first thing we're going to do is make sure we have a selection of shots we're going to work on. Then we're going to navigate to the color workspace. Then we are going to navigate to the Creative tab and browse for the folder location you have saved the Gamut DJI LUTs. In this case, I will be using the more contrast version as that's the one that best fits this series of shots. Did you notice that I've applied the LUT on the Creative tab and not in the basic color correction tab? Why, you may be asking? Premiere Pro Lumetri tab effects work kind of like layers in Photoshop. So any changes I make in the basic tab happen before the signal is processed by the Creative tab. That gives me full control of the latitude on the log footage before any color changes are applied. This is especially true when grading footage with more stylized LUTs that tend to crush blacks or whites or even shift colors drastically, say the famous teal and orange LUTs. Now that we are happy with our first shot from this location, we can copy and paste the settings on the next clip and make minor adjustments if needed. These clips were captured in the same location under similar lighting conditions. So it's all about efficiency, and saving time allows us to work faster. Make sure you have selected the clip you're going to be copying the attributes from. Then press Ctrl+C. Then we're going to go and select our next clip, and this time instead of just pressing Ctrl+V, which will copy and paste the clip we just copied, we are now going to press Ctrl+Alt+V, which opens the Paste Attributes window. We are going to now select which attributes we want to paste into the selected clips. In this case, because our timeline is of different resolution on the footage, we are going to select motion, and obviously we are going to select effects and make sure Lumetri effect is selected. And boom, valuable life lesson. You have shaved a couple of seconds in your editing workflow. You can then repeat the process until all the shots from the same group are color corrected. You can even paste attributes to multiple clips at the same time. Just make sure to go back and fine tune your settings. Lastly, you can now apply an adjustment layer over a group of clips with a stylized LUT, and presto. Because you have color corrected your clips at the clip level, the adjustment layer should work well across. In this case, I'm going to be using one of the LUTs from the Kinetic package from the folks at Gamut. Links in the description. Just bear in mind, I would recommend using adjustment layers over clips that are from the same cameras, as more stylized LUTs tend to be more aggressive and behave differently on log footage from different cameras. Focus, 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 focus. That's a rabbit hole that can be explored in another video. That's it for now. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by heading over to the video description and using my referral link to buy the Gamut Luts. As always, thanks for watching, and if you managed to stick around till the end, pat yourself in the back because you're awesome. See ya!